Hello everyone, I'm Morty from SINOMADA China Limited. We have been engaged in the export of the construction machinery for 15 years. Our best-selling products include trunk crane, wheel loaders, excavators, and dump trucks. We cooperate with top Chinese manufacturers such as XCMG Group, SANY Group, and ZOOMLION. Today, I arrived at SANY Heavy Industry Factory in Changsha, China. The company is famous for producing various types of construction machinery. Behind me is our new flagship product, the SANY STC550C5-8 track. The crane adopts dual-axial drive with a maximum speed of 19 km per hour and a maximum climbing capacity of 45%. The J-class chassis enhances maneuverability, while the large capacity axles and the rubber suspension make driving smoother and more comfortable. In addition, the crane also has various safety functions, such as a false alarm system and a highly intelligent torque limiter to ensure safe lifting operation. It is also equipped with a GCP remote motorist system, which can perform remote diagnostics and management. That's all for today's introductions. If you are interested in STC550C5-8 or other construction machinery, please feel free to contact me at any time. We also provide earth-moving machinery, lifting machinery, transportation machineries, waiting for your interest at any time.